Okay, now on to my Chanel bags. So, like I said, I wanted to get these two, even though I know Chanel's prices are going up, quality's going down, whatever. And actually, Shopaholique, I bought them really quickly, impulse bought, because I felt like I had to, because they were not available and they're very hard to get. And that pressure I got from, not pressure, but like, you know, that feeling you get. And when the other sales associate's like, are you taking that bag? Are you taking that bag? Or you're not? So I got it kind of like, you know, I got it kind of impulsively, especially the first ones. The first one, she held for me for 2 days and you have to like come and see it at least. And she's like, if you're not gonna take it, give it to a gift for someone else. I got it. After I got it, I immediately was like, I don't know that I actually really want to keep this bag, but I showed it to my mom. My mom loved it. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna give it to her for her birthday, which she doesn't know yet. But anyway, I already unboxed it because I had to unbox it to bring it in, and I couldn't find the ribbon to repackage it, so whatever. But it is one of the hardest bags to get at Chanel. And for the price point for Chanel, again, so like a classic Chanel flap now is like over 10, but if you can get a classic mini, which they never have, it's only, and by only I know it's a lot, 47 or 55, and then you get the VAT back and stuff like that. In the US, it's 47 plus tax, so it's 53. In France, it's 47 minus the VAT, so you get 43-ish, but then the conversion ends up being like 46 or 47, depending on when you get it. So I got it's already been unboxed, but that's okay. It's a mini square classic flap in black lambskin with champagne hardware, with the turn lock, and it's very beautiful. I was worried it wasn't gonna fit my phone, but it does fit my phone. It sits kind of nicely right there. It's actually a really good size, but I wish they would still make this in caviar, because even though it's beautiful in lambskin, it's gonna get so scuffed up really easily, and I'm a baby with all my things, and I'm already like particular about my constants and everything like that. So like I don't love having a bunch of things like this. And I do have this bag in caviar, and I use that way more because it's just more durable. Even the wallet on chain all the wallets on chains I have except for one are in caviar. So this, I think, would suit my mom better because she's very delicate with her bags and she's just gonna wear it to like events and stuff like that, like not wear it all the time. But anyway, so we got that. And I actually wish I would have gotten a baby merger of these two, because the bag I've been dreaming about, which this she texted me about as well, and I asked about because I've been wanting for a very long time. This is a really hard bag to get too. Not hard to get, it's just that they don't always do it in this style. And so I was like, I have to get it when she showed it to me, and everyone was looking at me when I was trying it on. And then I was like, do you have a new one? And she's like, yes. They were two, so I could have actually gotten two, but I couldn't. You know, anyway, I want this bag in a mini classic rectangular. Ideally caviar, mini classic rectangular with the turn lock in this color or this hardware. So, but they had this and it was beautiful. Again, lambskin, a little more delicate, but I think it's okay for this bag. So I got, can you tell? I'm sure you can tell. It is a black, so black, all black, all black. Although it makes this weird squeaky noise. What's that about? I don't know. So black, wallet on chain in lambskin. A little more pricier than regular wallet on chain, but like, look at how beautiful. Little black bag, excuse me. Little black bag I can wear with everything. And the lambskin's so soft. It's much more soft than the mini classic actually, which is weird. I don't know. Anyway, I would love to have these two have a baby one day. Maybe if I let them sit next to each other for long enough, they will actually procreate. And the Chanel gods will just give me one. All right, this is my haul. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, bye.